Welcome to the world of swaddling. Today we're showing you a really simple swaddle, which is a wonderful way of comforting your new addition. Swaddling has been used for many years as a way of wrapping newborns in a lightweight blanket or sheet. It's adorable, but it also helps your baby to feel calm and snug, and hopefully sleep better too. Now, as you can see, we work with very professional babies. But if this is a new experience for you and your little one, it may take a bit of practice to get right. Try to enjoy the time together and don't be hard on yourself. Before you know it, you'll be able to swaddle in your sleep. Here's how to swaddle your little one. Lay your blanket flat and pull down the top point to create a diamond shape. Place your baby on their back so their shoulders align with this fold. With their arms by their side, take the right-hand corner of the blanket and wrap it over their body. Then tuck the material under their back. Next, take the excess material at their feet and fold it flat on their chest. Whilst gently holding it in position, wrap the left-hand side of the blanket across your baby, then tuck it underneath them. And there you go. That's our simple swaddle to get you started. We really hope your baby loves being all wrapped up. And if you enjoyed the video, please give it a like and subscribe to our Mothercare YouTube channel.